Hi, my name is Kofi Konadu Berko. I work in international development as an administrative consultant, and I'm the winner of the 2024 edition of the Adinkra Poetry Prize. I'll be reading my piece, The Journey of Hope Seekers. Ejare kono, ojami adiebi. Sa adieno, ocho makumaso. He left me wrapped in his spirit cloth and journeyed into the wilderness to find hope because our country had lost it. But a man without a father is like a tree without a soul. I curled into my father's spirit, bubbling, growing, waiting, until the months turned to years and years turned into more years. Then I turned 16, and my father had still not returned. And so, like I had done over the years, I cried to my grandmother, "Who am I? Did neither of them not love me enough to stay?" Mother joined the ancestors after she birthed me. Father deserted me to hunt hope for a dying country. Did neither of them love me, even a little? Then I turned 18, and grandmother said to me, "Abofra, wejare kono, ojawa cheche kwambi, o wakumaso." That when you were old enough, and he had still not returned, you would find him and bring him back home. In her tired hoarse voice, she led me into the room and ordered me to strip off my shirt. Then she pointed to the words engraved on my chest. "Now you are old enough to read that." And so I placed my palm upon my left breast and plunged my fingers in, skin softening, giving away as my palms sank further, through bone, muscle, into tissue and blood, until I held my heart in my hand, pulsating, slowly revealing the message my father had left behind. When grandmother brought her needles to mend my chest and a bowl of water to wash my hands of blood, she looked at me. "Do you understand?" Nana, Mati, Monsieur. And so 3 years after the birth of my own daughter, I leave her swaddled in my spirit cloth with her mother, whisper a message of love, pick up my bundle, and journey into the wilderness of republics. Riding on the backs of the winds of 1960, gliding through the grasslands of 1966, swimming through the skies of 1979, walking through the seas of the second millennium, until I find Father in 2024, lodged in the Hotel of Despondence. I have no expectations, yet I do not expect a defeated, frail, bony thing that has long lived past its lifespan. A man trapped in immortality, hunting for hope and prosperity for his country. A man who in no way resembles a hunter. My son. And in the days after we embrace and re-embrace each other, we spend time examining each other. Father, son, son, father. Elation, ecstasy, euphoria. My father is who I want him to be, who I've always wanted him to be, until I tell him, "Let us go home, so we can be a family with my family." Then he tells me, as his father had done, and his father's father had done, that I was a hope seeker like him, like our ancestors. You cannot find your way back, son, not until you seize hope for our country. Now it's your turn. Maybe when you find it, your child can say, "Ejare kono, ojami adiebi, sa adieno, yenidaso." So I begin my search after my father passes. Maybe I can find hope this year. Thank you.